Let's solve this question. Very large one. A large number of coins have been arranged in a straight line on the floor, right? The coins have been numbered 1, 2, 3 starting from the first coin in the line. So there are n number of coins starting from, and these are numbered from 1, 2, 3 till n. Raju wishes to collect 100 coins. He has to collect 100 coins. The first coin he picks up in the coin numbered 1, right? So he picks up, for example, there are 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, right? So these are the coins. These are the coins, and these are numbered 1, 2, 3. Now Raju is picking up the coins, and he picks up the coin number 1. So the coin picked by Raju, the first coin is numbered 1, right? Now he skips the 1 coin. He skips this and picked up the next. So this is the second coin picked up by Raju as the second coin. Then he skips the following 2 coins. Now he is skipping these 2 and picking up the coin number 6. So this is the third coin he picked. Pick up the next coin as the third coin. Then he skips the 3 coins. 1, 2, 3. Then he picked up this 10 number as his fourth coin, right? And so on. This series continues as such, right? So the series formed by Raju, coins picked by Raju would be numbered 1, right? Numbered 3. So this is the first coin, this is second coin, third coin is 6, fourth coin is 10, and so on, right? And this series, if you can observe, is nothing but the sum of natural numbers, sum of first natural numbers up to the number of terms, right? For example, this is the sum of first 1 natural number. This is the sum of first 2 natural numbers. Sum of first 2 natural numbers, right? Natural numbers. This is the sum of first 3 natural numbers. 3 natural numbers. And similarly, first 4 natural numbers. ये सम हो जाएगा 4 natural numbers का, and so on, right? So fourth coin, he continues to pick up the coins following the same pattern. What will be the number of 100th coin he picks up, right? This is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, and we have to find what is the number written on this 100th coin, right? And the number written on these coins, I am getting this number as sum of first natural numbers. And how many natural numbers? Natural numbers till the number of terms. For example, if I have to find what is the number written on this fourth one, on this fourth coin that Raju has picked, so I have to add first 4 natural numbers, right? So to find the number written on this 100th coin, we have to find sum of first 100 natural numbers. Easy. And the sum of first n natural numbers is given by n plus 1 by 2. And for first 100 natural numbers, it would become 100 into 101 by 2. It get cancelled 50 times. So I get 50-50. The correct answer would be 50-50. A very large one, but easiest of all, right?